In today's video, I'll show you why I might not play Alien Worlds again. What are the things that you should expect in this game? What is my price prediction as well for the TLM, which is the in-game currency, and what are the reasons why I'm not going to play this game for pretty much time now. And this is just my own opinion. Uh, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research and other stuff. And your money is your responsibility. So let's just start right here. As you can see here, I'm gonna show you a pretty much a live scenario on this one, okay? If you're mining TLM right now, unlike few months ago, okay, you're just mining really low, okay? So if you want to play Alien Worlds or stuff, you're just going to get really small amount of TLM only, and probably what you're earning last month could be around 25% only that you are earning today. So as you can see here, I'm really getting like a really small amount of TLM, okay, and that's one of the issues. Before I was getting around 0.10, I was even getting 0.20, but right now, since there's a lot of people, there's a lot of bots as well, which I'm going to talk with you guys later on. It is not really worth it, and as you can see here, if you're having TLM, okay, its price is 0.16, okay. Last May, I think the price was around um we can see it here. Last May the price is around 0.7, right? So 0.7. So it's pretty much good on that time. However, in this time, it's really low, 0.16. I mean, how can you actually really make good chunk of money if you're going to play this game? And of course, if you're going to see here, there's like there's like 1.87 users on this one. But I really bet that half of this are bots. Why? Because I still see that there are a lot of bots that are playing this game, abusing the TLM. It's just abusing the game, uh, destroying the economy. That is why it's not really worth it, and it is just good for the bots. Now, as you can see as well, um, I mean, you're just earning 0.16. Let's go to crypto.com and let's just convert what we just get, okay? So, we're gonna go here, okay? I think you can convert it here. Okay. So, let's do some conversions, live conversions. So we found one. So its current price is 0.16. If you're earning around 0.03, okay, let's earn again, okay? So that you could probably see what can you actually get, and take note that this is pretty much the best tool for get a TLM, because it is TLM focused. However, it also takes you more time than the other tools. So we will see here. Wait for a moment, please. It says fetching mine delay, and you're getting 0.4. So we're pretty much getting a pretty much higher amount. Okay, so 0.0483 is just earning you 0.7 USD. I mean, it's not that bad at all. But I mean, let's say we're doing it for 1 hour with the like mining rate of mining time of around 3 minutes, because you need to adjust the mining time because you're going to do the caption and stuff. So let's do this, okay? 0.0480 times 20, because 3 minutes times 20 is 60 minutes, which is 1 hour. So 0.966, okay? 0.966. So you're just earning 0.01 USD per hour, okay? Even if you're going to play this one for the next 24 hours, okay? If you can able to, okay? Times 24, 23.184, 23.184 you're just going to get around $4 just for playing it for 24 hours. And I think you have a pretty much good time for you to make money. Like there's a lot of games, there's a lot of things that you can make more money than this one. That is why I'm quitting on Alien Realms. Now, the other issue is it's no issue if you're going to be able to play 24 hours, but it is not that is not the case. As you can see here, if you're going to go into all access wallet, it's not really worth it. It is because when you're playing Alien Worlds, probably you're gonna get run out of CPU after 4 hours, 3 hours, and probably you didn't even make $1 after that. So if you're gonna go here, as you can see, I didn't even do anything, but I do have 24% use. Sometimes when it is picked, I didn't even open anything, but it says 100%, 150%. That's why it's pretty much stupid, right? So not that there's an issue about the price, okay? It's not really worth it. The mining rate that you are getting is low. The resources, okay, the CPU errors, annoying CPU errors that won't give you really any money at all. And of course, the bots, right? The bots that just I've mentioned here. There's really a lot of bots. If even if you go into search into YouTube, there's a lot of bots inside this game. And I mean, I might not have any claims on that one, but that's really the truth. And there's a lot of people as well that are opening multiple accounts. As you can see, I think Alien Words have made it clear for everybody that you are not allowed to create multiple accounts, but they are not able to track this type of scenario wherein there's one people that are opening 8 browsers in total, and then they're just logging in, they're just mining on the PC. And probably if you're getting around $4 on that, they're earning more because they do have a lot of accounts, and they are not able to mitigate that. They didn't even improve yet their system. That is why I'm pretty much quitting this game. However, I'm still going to create some guides for you guys. I might still mine for like maybe one or two times per day if I get pretty much active. But I mean, this as a source of income, or you wanna treat this as a side hustle. I mean, pretty much I prefer if if you really like Alien Worlds, okay? If you really like Alien Worlds, just go with a higher tools that gives you probably a chance for you to get an NFT, okay? So pretty much you can have some luck on that. So for the tools, you can just go into this spreadsheet right here, which made by Volps, okay, from Good Vibes Mining. Okay, so thank you for this tool, okay. And you can see all of the attributes here and what are the current meta. And as you can see here, almost all of the items that are pretty much focused on TLM got lower, okay, and almost all of the items that are focusing on NFTs got higher. So that is the current meta, and I hope you take this one, just my opinion, okay. You can have your own thoughts, okay. This is not a financial advice. Again, your money is your responsibility, and I'm just sharing my story and my journey into the cryptocurrency space. So that is it for this, guys. Thank you for watching.